Let's see how it sound regular, and then I'm gonna try it in the sport mode. Chaser gang, boom. Hey man, say man, you already know it is your girl Dream Chasing Gio, back with another banger. Hey, today guys, I'm going to be installing the K&N air filter on my 2019 Dodge Charger RT. I procrastinated, yes I did, yes indeed. However, today is the day I will be installing it. I've been hearing so many good things. I did so many reviews on it, so I want to see what the hype about, you know what I'm saying? But nah guys, I heard it's a great mod to have, not even just for the sound, just quality purposes as well. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video. All right gang, so first things first, we are gonna get the 3 screws that are inside here. We're gonna get them things out. We gotta get them out in order to lift this up, so let's do that. I already loosened the screws because I don't have a power drill. Why? Because it's dead. So guys, future references, keep your power drill charged up so you won't have to deal with using a screwdriver. Technology, man. All right, but like I said, I already loosened them up, so I'm just gonna get them out of here. Once you get the screws out gang, it's 3 clamps back here that you're gonna have to get out. Lift this up and pull this forward like I'm doing. Heard that pop? Got one out. I got 2 more to go. Got another one out. Got it out. All right, we're just gonna lift that up. What do we have here? I just got this brand new, as you can see, squeaky clean. But we're gonna go ahead. This is a totally different air filter, like I stated before. So let's see what's up with it, man. Let's go ahead and open it. Like I said, I did a lot of reviews on it. So let's see what it do. What do we have here? We got stickers and stuff. What? They gave a sticker or whatever. They got their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube on there. We're gonna sit that right there. This thing is in plastic. Weird. Okay. Dang, it's oily and everything. It's lubricated. Ready to go, I see. Okay. Go ahead and open this. That, as you can see, right, and I'm gonna bring the camera around here so you guys can see exactly how it looks. See, all you do is basically match it up, gang. Now, see how this is like that? It's like that. All right, go ahead, put it in there. It lays perfect. It lays perfectly flat. That's how you know it's in there correctly. Bam. All right. Got it in there. Now we just need to put this thing right back together. You know what I'm saying? Alright, them back on there, gang. For some reason, this last one is a super headache, but whatever. So, alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put these screws back in here. Sure, it doesn't matter. They all the same kind of screw. put pressure so we can get this thing secured up in here. Take my glove off. Tighten it up yet. Just gonna get the screws down up in there. Like I said, man, this is a performance mod. I'm adding on here. Easy install. Besides that third notch, that thing's freaking heavy. I don't know why it gave me such a hard time. But guess what, guys? We got it up in there. You know what I'm talking about? Go ahead and tighten these up. Ooh, if I had a drill, this process would be so much easier. So much easier. And quicker. And can't forget that. Next, just make sure that you tighten the screws all the way, meaning they can't tighten anymore. As you can see, everything's tightened back up. I need to clean the inside of this thing out. Now we're gonna see how this thing sounds, man. Oh yeah, we in there, man. Y'all see what's going on, for real. All right, gang. So right now, I'm gonna see how it sound on the street. I'm gonna see how it sound on the street. This is gonna be in regular mode though. Let's see how it sound regular, and then I'm gonna try it in the sport mode. That's crazy. That thing is loud, man. All right, y'all. I got that sport mode fully activated. Let's check this out. What? Hey, let me roll the window down, man. Woo! Hey, this thing sound good, man. That little thing do all that. That is crazy, man. That is crazy, man. I had to go ahead and hit it one time for the game, man. But yeah, man, smash that like button, man. Smash that like button, man. For real. We going up all 2021, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, gang, I appreciate y'all for coming through, checking out this easy install of the K&N air filter. Yes, I give it a thumbs up, guys. If you don't have one, I suggest you go get one. But guys, make sure you like, share, and comment for me, man. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. You know what I'm talking about? We chasers, baby. Hey, with that being said, man, we going up all 2021, man. Chase y'all dreams. Don't let nobody and nothing stop you from what you trying to do or who you trying to become, man. We chasers, man. With that being said, your girl
I'm chasing dreams. 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 I'm chasing dreams.